It looks like Elon Musk is on a mission to hit trillionaire status because Grok AI is now officially paywalled. Yeah, the moment you try to generate a video, boom, you hit a payment screen. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful AI video generators you can use completely free. No limits, no watermark, and some of them are just as powerful as Grok, if not even better. So if you still want to create cinematic AI videos without paying a single cent, keep watching. And real quick, if you love content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. Welcome. The first tool on our list is CapCut. Yes, the CapCut that you already know for video editing. You can also generate AI videos with this tool for free. There are 2 ways to access this particular video generation feature. The first method is right when you open the CapCut app, you will see an AI Video Maker option right here. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open a new tab for us. Once it opens, you will see an interface like this, which prominently states that Dreaminess Seedance 2.0 is here and is completely free to use. If you check below, you can see some inspiration. These are sample videos generated with this tool for free, and it is truly amazing. Let's say you want to create content, you can simply go ahead and input your prompt. I will just try with Seedance 2.0. Additionally, you can generate both images and videos. When you click on the Models tab here, you will see a variety of options. Aside from the newly released Seedance 2.0, it features the older version, Seedance 1.0, Seedance 1.5 Pro, Sora 2, VO3 Fast, and Dream Montage 1.0 Fast. All of these models are entirely free to use, so you can go ahead and try them out. Now let's look at the second way to access the AI video generator in CapCut. I will go ahead and close this tab. The next way to use this tool is to click on Create Project. When you open your timeline and see this interface, you will find AI Media right here on the side menu. Once you select it, this is where you can enter your text prompt. You also have the option to upload an image as a reference. Under the Models tab here, it features Seedream 5.0, 4.5, Nano Banana Pro, and many more. However, keep in mind that these specific models are basically for image generation. When you click on AI Video, that is where you access the video models. You can generate image to video, multi-frames, and text to video. Under the video models, you will see the newly released Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Seedance 1.5 Pro, Sora 2, VO3, and several others. Even Runway is available right here. So that covers CapCut. You can use either method to create videos for free. Now let's move on to the next tool on our list. The next tool is Flow by Google. This is another platform that you can use completely for free. For each account you create, you receive 100 credits every month to generate videos. However, I actually have a separate video on this channel detailing how to get VO3 Pro, which gives you 1,000 free credits every single month. In this case, simply go ahead and click on New Project right here. With Flow by Google, you have access to image generation models, which consists of Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and Imagine 4. Under the Video Generation tab, you have access to VO3 Quality, VO3 Fast, and VO3 Lite. You can generate videos using these models for free. The only catch is, with a standard free account, you only get 150 credits monthly. A simple workaround is to create and use different Google accounts to access this product for free and with virtually unlimited usage. Another fantastic tool you can use is Imagine.art. This platform also offers free credits to generate videos. As you can see, they currently feature Seedance 2.0 for free. You can generate content, use the In-Paint feature, create image to video, use AI Assist, extend videos, and do a whole lot more with this tool completely free of charge. They offer a wide variety of different models. They have VO3, Pixverse, Chatly AI, and Kling Motion Control. Of course, Nano Banana is here, as well as Seedream. They have a massive library of AI models for you to use. What I normally do across all of these platforms is once I exhaust my credits, I simply log in with a different account. It is entirely free to create an account. You can use any Gmail account to sign in and keep on creating with these models. Now let's move on to our next tool. The next tool is also free, GenMo.ai. This is a highly capable open source tool. All you simply have to do is type in a description of what you want to create. Just enter your prompt, and it will generate an outstanding outcome. The quality is truly excellent, and I highly recommend you try it out. Just make sure that your prompts are described vividly and with good detail, so you get the best possible result. It is completely free to use, so go ahead and give it a try. Now let's move on to our next AI tool. Another great free platform you can try is Vidu.com or Vidu AI. This is a very powerful AI tool. You are initially given free credits, and you also have the ability to earn more credits to keep creating for free. For example, you can earn additional free credits by downloading their app or joining their newsletter. And as usual with most of these tools, when I exhaust my initial credits, I simply log in with a different account to start fresh. On Vidu, you can utilize features like reference to video, image to video, video templates, AI lip sync, AI face swap, an AI video maker, a one-click video generator, an AI video editor, and even an AI video enhancer. It is a highly versatile tool, so I encourage you to try it out right away. Next is an amazing tool that isn't talked about enough, a powerful Chinese platform developed by Alibaba called Wan AI. It's an incredible AI tool that you can use to create a wide variety of videos. Its capabilities include reference to video, image to video with audio, and text to video with audio, which is an amazing feature. It also does speech to video, text to image, image editing, and much more. This is an open-source AI tool that incorporates several advanced models. It features models like Wan 2.2 Animate, Wan 2.2 S2V, and the standard Wan 2.2. You can go ahead and fully explore this tool's capabilities, as it is also completely free to use. Finally, one tool that often flies under the radar is Qwen AI. Qwen AI is a free platform that helps you create amazing things. On the surface, you might think it's just a regular alternative to ChatGPT, but it's incredibly powerful. It handles a massive variety of tasks. It can edit images, utilize advanced reasoning models just like ChatGPT, perform deep web searches, and even code for websites and apps. It also features artifacts, deep research, image generation, and of course, video generation. I actually have a dedicated video on this specific tool where I go in depth into all of its features. You can check that video out on my channel to see exactly how to use Qwen AI for free and with unlimited access. It's an amazing platform that I use constantly, so definitely go check it out. So guys, since Grok AI is no longer free, these are the best tools I recommend you use to continue generating AI videos. These platforms are amazing and will undoubtedly help enhance your productivity. Most of them offer generous free credits. The ultimate secret, as I stated earlier, is that once you run out, you can simply log in with a different email account and you're good to go. This is the perfect strategy if you don't want to pay for AI subscriptions. However, if you're already making money from your AI video creation, I would suggest upgrading to a paid plan on a tool like Grok AI. This gives you the convenience of generating videos seamlessly without having to constantly switch accounts. But if you're just starting out on your AI creation journey, I highly suggest you stick to these free tools to practice and build your skills. Once you start getting paid for your content, you can then invest in premium AI subscriptions. Until then, take full advantage of these free options. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.